Today, we're diving into the latest buzz around Samsung's highly anticipated foldable, the Z Fold 7. The Zold series has become a symbol of cutting-edge foldable technology, and excitement is already building for the next edition. Here's everything we know so far. Release schedule. Samsung's flagship products follow a well-established release cycle. The Zold 6 launched in 2024, so we can expect the Z Fold 7 to debut at the company's Unpacked event around July or August 2025. Pricing rumors. Let's talk price. While we're still in the speculative stage, looking at previous models gives us a clue. The Zold 6 started at $1,899, and it's likely the Z Fold 7 will follow suit. Despite hopes for a price drop, don't be surprised if the new model sticks around the $2,000 mark. Design and display. The Z Fold 7 is expected to be slimmer and lighter than its predecessors, possibly matching the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 8.6mm thickness. Samsung is also reportedly developing a technique to enable S Pen input without a digitizer, which could lead to a thinner device without losing stylus compatibility. The display might also be larger, potentially stretching to 8 inches, up from the Z Fold SIX's 7.6 inches. Performance. Rumors suggest the Z Fold 7 could be powered by Samsung's own Exynos 2500 chipset or the Snapdragon 8 Elite, offering powerful performance with up to 12 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. Camera upgrades. Expect improvements in the camera department as well. While specifics are still under wraps, the Z Fold 7 will likely build on the Zold SIX's impressive triple camera setup, with enhancements in low-light performance, zoom capabilities, and possibly a better under-display camera. Battery and charging. Battery life is always a concern with thinner devices, but Samsung might balance this with more power-efficient components. The Z Fold 7 could feature a battery similar to the Zold SIX's 4400 mAh, with at least 25W cable charging and 15W wireless charging. Faster charging options might also be on the table. Software. The Z Fold 7 will run on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7 on top. Expect a refreshed user experience with new icons, animations, and enhanced multitasking features optimized for foldable devices. One UI 7 will bring AI-powered tools like writing assists, content summaries, and grammar checks, making the Z Fold 7 even more user-friendly and productive. The Z Fold 7 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the foldable market, combining sleek design, powerful performance, and innovative features. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to its launch.